Okay, let's see how to make a nice design to sell online on your products. For example, on Redbubble or Etsy. I'm going to use Canva. I'm going to show you how easy it is with Canva on your smartphone, and you can do everything that you need on your smartphone with Canva just by using your hands and your fingers, no keyboard, no mouse. And these are the designs that sell very well. Okay, so now we open up a new project. I use 5,000 per 5,000 pixels. We're going to take the rectangular, put it at the center of the page. There we go. And then push it up and then down as well. It has to cover the center of the page. Now we're going to get a circle. Of course, now it's gray. We have to change the color so that we could see the circle. Let's say we use white. Okay, now we want another circle, so we duplicate and we have the other circle. Now we want to make the first circle big, then the middle circle is going to be not small but smaller than the first circle, and then copy, then duplicate, and there you go, you have the third circle. Now I want to change the background to okay, the circles to red. Yes, let's change the circles to red, and then the background, usually I use black and red sell very well, so I'm going to choose black for the background. There we go. I'm doing this on my phone as I'm talking to you now. Now we're going to search for a superhero. You can search for anything. I found a picture that I like very much. Here it is under superhero woman, almost a Wonder Woman. So we drag it down and we make it go up so it's inside all three circles. There you go, center, perfect. And now we have our design in what, 2.5 minutes. We have a very nice pod that we can use on our print-on-demand shops, or you can sell on Fiverr. Okay, now you're going to take away the background as you save it, so you don't want the background. And as I was saying, you can sell them on Fiverr, and for like $5-10, and there's a lot of people looking for these kind of designs. Okay, now what I wanted to do is to see how it works on a t-shirt. I'm going to make a t-shirt mock-up so we can see how the design actually looks on a t-shirt. So we're going to search for t-shirt mock-up, blank project. There you go. We're going to look for a black t-shirt, maybe. Let's see. Black, well, t-shirt mock-up, let's see. Yeah, this black one. White, blue. Nah, let's go for the black one. Yeah, this one's nice. Black, okay. Now we're going to upload. Here it is. Upload the picture that we just saved from Canva. We have it here in our gallery. There we go. And here's our design on a black t-shirt. This could look nice on a white t-shirt as well. So now let's see. Yeah, wow, very nice. And you can upload it to Fiverr like this, so you show to your clients what the designs that you make look like. This is one of the designs I made for my Etsy shop, and it's selling extremely well, and it's sold well on Redbubble as well. Now let's make a sample order on Printfull. Okay, I was already inside, so I need to close it and then open it up again. Printfull, not Printfull, sorry, Printfull. we're going to make a sample order. This time I think I'm going to use the white t-shirt. Yeah, let's use the white t-shirt to see how the design looks. So you pick the color you want printing, of course, then the size. There we go, white. Then you can upload it directly to your shop, or just do a product for yourself, and you have a 25% discount if you order a sample product, so you can test it before you actually sell it to your customers. It's a very nice idea by Printfull. And here it goes. So we choose the file that we made, we upload it. Here it is. It's uploading. Usually, okay, we have our file uploaded. Now we have to find how to place it, and it's very easy. Voila, the 3 dots, place, and there's your design on your t-shirt. You can adjust the size, you can place it wherever you want, on the shoulders, on the arms, on the back. You can even insert an inside label with your, I don't know, your icons or the name of the brand, of your brand, or the name of your store. And then or you can just use it as a mock-up to show your clients on Fiverr. And that's about it. It's very easy. In about 6 minutes we made the design. We did a t-shirt mock-up that we can use for our social networks, and then we created the actual t-shirt with Printfull. So please like this video, it would be of great help. Also, if you share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more and more ideas. Thank you, everyone.